Where are your YouTube views actually coming from? Search, browse, suggested, or short speed? If you don't understand YouTube traffic sources, you can grow strategically. In today's video, I will break down every YouTube traffic source in simple language and tell you which one you should focus on. This is YouTube with Saave. Let's decode the algorithm. Also, do check out the YouTube Launch Playbook, which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step by step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now, what are YouTube traffic sources? Whenever someone watches your video, YouTube tracks where the viewer discovered it. That discovery point is called a traffic source. You can check this in the YouTube Studio. You can check this in the YouTube Studio. Go to the YouTube Studio and click on any video for YouTube which you want to check the traffic source. Go to the analytics of the video, and over here you can click on reach, right? And you can see the traffic sources under the title how viewers find this video. The first one is the browse features. And this is the most powerful one. If you see, my 91% of the views for this video are via browse features. It basically includes views generated via home page, the subscription feed, explore page, or watch later. So if you go to your YouTube and if you are seeing your video in the home page of the YouTube, that basically browse traffic. And this means YouTube is recommending your video. And this depends on the click through rate, retention, watch time, or viewer behavior, thumbnails, right? So these are the mechanisms by which you could push the video in the browse functionality of YouTube. I already created video on how to create thumbnails. You can check that to improve the click through rate. The second one is the YouTube search. Now, what is YouTube search? This is when someone searches a video on YouTube. Like I am typing in here, maybe you can see over here I am typing Daryacha Raja, right? So this is basically search algorithm, and basis this the video is appearing and someone is clicking on it and a view is generated. So basically, search traffic depends on keywords, SEO optimization, titles, descriptions, and tags. I'm linking my video over here where I have shared how you can use the SEO keywords using vidIQ tool, which I use for my videos, or how you can write better video descriptions using ChatGPT and other tags using vidIQ. Do refer for improving the SEO of your video if the niche of your channel primarily focuses on educating or training users, or which content is more driven by search results. So that's second source. The third one is suggested videos, and this basically comes from videos shown next to another video. Basically, if someone watches a similar video and YouTube recommends yours beside it, that's suggested. So if I'm seeing a video of this song, YouTube high likely will show me another video of a similar song or from a similar from the same singer as a suggested video. Now, to increase the suggested video counts, you can make related content, create video series, or use similar keywords to keep viewers watching multiple videos. The next one is external traffic, that is other YouTube features, right? So whenever anything doesn't fall into the typical ones, the traffic is counted as views from partner promotions or the dashboard. That is the other YouTube features. Channel pages is basically when someone visits your channel, right? So in this case, I'm visiting this channel, right, and then clicking on the video, right, and if they watch from a playlist, that's playlist traffic. So in this way, channel pages and playlist traffic are counted as a source of traffic for the views being generated. Series content helps increase this. So if you have a series of videos, then you will find more traffic being driven from the channel pages. The others are basically external traffic which comes from WhatsApp, Instagram, Facebook, Google, other websites where you share your videos to your followers, family, friends. And this is good for initial push, but long term growth depends on YouTube recommending you. Like in this case, 91% is being recommended by YouTube. Now, which traffic source is the best? For beginners, start with search, right? For growth, focus on browse plus suggested videos. For fast reach, use shorts. For brand building, use playlist. The goal is to move from search to browse to suggested dominance. So, so you can see how you can find the views. The simple way to analyze your traffic and grow is compare your click-through rate, average view duration, and traffic source percentage, right? So you can find it over here. Average view duration, click-through rate, you can find, and you can basically, if browse is increasing, you are growing. Now comment below your top traffic source right now. Is it search, browse, or shorts? Subscribe to YouTube with Saave for more practical YouTube growth strategies. See you in next one.